afternoon, all of you. Okay, today we are going to discuss on the topic online education is good or offline education is good. So I will ask you first question. Pass mic to the Himraj. Himraj, what do you think? Online education is better or offline education is better? Which one is better?
I think online education is good because it is good for those students who are doing job. He also can take classes because of there is no time. There is not too much required for time management. If you are cooking food, you also can take online classes.
Okay, good. So I'll ask question to Tariq. Tariq, what do you think?
I think offline education is more better than online education because time management is also good for study, and when how much time you are giving from coming and going, that time you can solve your 10 question or 20 question in that time, and you can satisfied that question, and if you are not understanding any question, then you can ask your sir to face to face communication, and that time maybe your satisfaction will improve. So I think offline education is much better than online.
Okay, so Salman, I have question for you. Whatever he said, whatever Tariq said, are you agree with that or not?
I agree with that, but some point, few point. So I just Tariq Bhaiya said that if you have any doubt, then you can ask to sir. But you can also ask online. You can also ask question by online classes.
So what do you think? Online education is good or offline education is good? What do you think?
I think online education is good.
Okay, why?
Because sir, if you are doing any mistake, teacher will not beat you. And when I face to sir, I feel like scared.
Okay.
So if you are anywhere, you can take class, and so I think online education is good.
Okay, Tariq, as Salman said, okay, you can ask.
And you said you can take online classes. To anywhere, and you can, if you are doing any mistake, you will not beat with from sir. So when your school is open, that time you will not go to school. Only you will take online classes.
Okay, what do you think, Salman? Are you agree? Whatever he said?
Sir, we are talking online versus offline classes, but I know offline class will learn, but nowadays situation online, everyone taking online classes. So after 2 years, sir forgotten my mistake, so they will not beat me.
Okay, no problem. I'll ask you someone else. Okay, so what do you think? Online education is better than offline?
I think I think online education is good in this time coronavirus. So many school is closed, and many people study online class, and
Don't speak. Okay. Okay, go ahead. No problem.
and online class more develop skills and
Education is good.
I think offline education is good because in offline education we have fear, but in online class we have no fear, and we cannot understand very well. If I ask many times questions, my teachers angry up to me, and our teachers taking full fees of a month. then I think offline classes is good.
Okay, so yes, I have question for you. Whatever he said, are you agree with that?
So sir, I am not agree with this sir, because I think online class is better because we can save our time through online classes, and also through online classes if we are not understanding any particular point, then we can rewind the video and we can watch the video again so that our problem will get solved. So I think that online class is better than offline class.
Okay, so Rishabh, as you said, few points. What do you think? Are you agree?
I don't know how we can rewind the video
Okay.
in Google Meet or Zoom.
So whatever he said, he's trying to say that. Okay, you got what he's trying to say that? Okay.
In online education also YouTube and other platform come where we can rewind the video. Then why are you only talking for the Zoom and all this kind of one?
Okay. So what do you think?
I think offline class is good because in this time many people live in village, like 70% people live in village. I think only 35 to 40% people have no cell phone, and
Good point here.
and other person they have no cell phone. So how can attend online class student?
Okay. So, oh yes, good question. So he said something. Means most of the villages they don't have a smartphone, and in village we don't have good network. So what you will say about this
I am not
point?
agree with that point that most of the villages don't have smartphones. We can see in this modern era every people who are living in village have modern phones, smartphones. If there are people who don't have smartphones, and for students I will suggest that they can take help from their friends. They can go at friends home and they can attend classes at their friends home.
Okay, whatever he has said, are you agree with that?
Sir, I ask one question.
Okay, let him speak
Yes,
first.
I agree with yes, but I think yeah, if you have cell phone, but you will live in village, and you will also face network problem, and students have no mobile to pay recharge. So how can you say online class is good?
Okay, yeah, Pragya, now you can respond. First you need to respond this question, then you can ask.
I think online class is good because student can save more time, and if you have disease problem, so you attend online class. I ask one question for Hariom.
Okay, you want to ask one question to Hariom. Okay, ask.
You know, in this time, corona time, and government fix lockdown. So how can say attend offline class?
Yeah, you say correct, but I think online class students also not satisfied for online class. How can you say online class is good?
Okay, so pass to her.
Online class is good if you have mobile phone and you not take fun, then you can study mobile phone and online class.
So you can pass mic to Tariq. Okay, whatever she said means if student have mobile, so means students should not do fun and all with the mobile, and students should not watch video and all, right? What do you think about this point? If student have mobile, they will not play games and all. They will focus on study.
No, it's not right. Also, I have also mobile phone, and when I take my mobile phone, and also I take for only fun, not study purpose. So I think
Hello.
Okay, let him speak first.
so I think and also I think when you will use your mobile phone, that time might be.
Do you think online education is good or offline education is
Online education is good because in this time coronavirus we can get education to school groups and many types of app. Then why are Tari Bhaiya saying?
Why Tariq said? Okay, giving more respect, Bhaiya. Okay.
We can use only.
Okay, doing mistake, I don't have any problem. Just do mistake, but you need to speak. Okay?
Yes.
Without mistake, you will not become a good speaker. Okay? You need to do mistake. Okay, just go ahead.
Only mobile phone use fun purpose. It's up to you. It's depend on you. Then why are you saying only mobile phone use?
I did one mistake.
Okay, so are you agree with that? Whatever he said. Okay, take mic and you can respond.
I agree with that, but I did some mistakes, and I said only just for fun, but it's not right. But only 20%, only 10 to 20% student which are using mobile phone, who is using mobile phone, that's only for study purpose. But 80% student using just for fun.
It's a student problem. Yes, it's
Yeah, I
not
said
our-
student problem. That's why I am saying Tariq Bhaiya said.
How can you say
Because-
Okay, let me ask one Princey opinion. Princey, what do you think? Okay, just go ahead.
I think offline classes.
Okay.
Why you prefer online classes?
Okay, let her speak. Let her speak. Okay. Go ahead, Princey.
Because all students don't have cell phone and they don't take online class.
Okay. So what do you think? First, Matt.
I think offline classes is good because if you don't have mobile phone, you can how you can join the offline online classes.
So,
So I think offline classes is good and
okay, what do you think? Online education is good or offline education is good? Okay, pass mic first. Later I will continue debate. Okay, later. Let him speak also.
I think offline education is not good. Online education is good because in this time we are studying with only online education, and in offline education the teachers are not studying well because the directors and the principals are not come on the school, and he not check the study, and in online classes he came on the
Having offline classes.
I can tell you five reasons for good offline education. And first satisfaction, and second fear from teacher, and second and third face-to-face communication, and fourth group discussion, and
Can you tell me 10 disadvantage online class?
Okay, let him speak first. Okay, so Miss, whatever he said, advantage. Are you agree those points or not? Whatever he said.
I too, but I am asked one question for you.
Okay.
Can you speak 10 disadvantage online class?
Okay, yeah, just go ahead. Okay, leave it that, leave it. Okay, just go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
First, you can't take online classes to anywhere, and because of networking problem. And second, some student have no mobile phone, and only who is middle class family member and who is rich, that's have mobile phone, and also who is poor, from poor family, belonging from poor family, that have no mobile phone, and also he have no money for recharge, and because he's thinking how much money we will
Okay, you have any point? Whatever he said. Okay, go ahead. Pass mic to yes.
all these things
Hello guys, listen carefully.
all these words which Tariq is saying, I am not satisfied with that, because all these things are just excuses. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. If you are saying that the person who don't have a smartphone and the student who is not able to recharge, I am not satisfied. If anyone is determined to learn, then the student can manage all these problems. And also, as you are supporting that offline classes are better, then please answer this question. If any person due to any disease admitted in hospital or at home, that doctor gave advice to stay home for just 1 month. It might be due to plaster at leg or anything. Then is it possible for the student to attend offline class? Then the student will surely attend online class. Then how you can say that offline classes are? Then how can you say that online classes are not better?
Okay, okay, you will speak.
Sir,
Okay, you have any point? You? Okay, pass mic.
Sir, first middays.
Okay, you want to speak? Take it.
I support offline class because if online class, many students take online class but is not satisfied, and many students take cell phone for our parents. I am studying, but I am living study.
Tell me example.
Okay, wait. Himraj, whatever he said means most of the children doing like this activity, they are taking mobile phone for study purpose. Actually, they are not doing study. What do you think? Are you agree with this point?
No, I am not agree with.
Means students are studying, right? If they are taking mobile. Okay, then tell.
If some student, if anyone is doing, if any student is playing video game, entertainment is part of our life. So I think it is good because in mobile phones don't have too much side effects. Because if you are playing outside games, you could injured.
Listen carefully. You need to ask question.
You could injured. I
Sir,
think
I
online
asked
education is good.
Wait. Your team member is speaking, right?
But I think online education is good for those girls whoever is housewife. Last 2 years in this time education technology is too much good. You could take online classes anywhere in bedroom you are sleeping. You could take online class after fresh up. So I think online education is good.
Okay, are you agree, Princey?
Can
Okay.
I ask question?
You have question? Okay, ask.
If you are sleeping, then how you can take online?
I said that
Okay.
if you are lay down on the bed, you could,
Okay.
But you also faced eyes problem. So how can you say online classes is good?
I am using mobile phone last 5 years, but I don't have eyes problem. So I think it is it is not good for me. It is excuse. It is.
Question is, if you don't have cell phone, then how you will attend online
Suppose that
class?
if you have no
Suppose that
This is the question.
I can help my sister and my parents because my parents have cell phone.
suppose
Suppose your parents also don't have smartphone, then how you will attend online class? That is the question.
Before I have one question asked. First you have no.
First you have to give an
No, sir. You
How is it possible Richard don't have phone, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir,
That is the condition that team is giving, right? You also can give condition,
I
right?
give your answer. I give your answer.
Okay.
sir, I can respond.
Nowadays, sir, if phone is
I
less,
have
Okay, good job you have done, but